Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic. And today, I'm doing a big channel update because I got some big news that'll be helping improve the quality of the video and what you get to see. Alright, let's check it out. Alright everyone, now you're going to see some other stuff on the side which I'm going to be doing reviews on. But what the big deal was, I got some GoPro cameras. So these are the last generation. These were on clearance at Walmart originally, $149, and they just knocked them down to $99. So I snatched these like no tomorrow because now I can give y'all so much better angles. I've been thinking about getting one. I've been looking at it, trying to figure out what I was going to do. So I'll give y'all better angles. So we're going to start unboxing. I honestly don't really know anything about a GoPro. Realistically, this is all new for me, but the big thing was I wanted to be able to put the camera cases waterproof and much smaller. That's a huge thing. Ooh. Let's see, what's this? That's battery. Cable. Of course it has its own proprietary charging cable, because why? Alright. Is that how it's tied though? Oh, okay, so. Oh, there we go. Woo! Got loose on us. Alright. So, this is, let me pull it up. The GoPro 6, my understanding. These are the 6s. And, ooh, that's cool. Got a lot of stuff I don't know, honestly. Got a little case, which is nice. I'm definitely going to have to get a full cover for all the greasy stuff I deal with. Is that how it slides out? Oh, that's cool. This is tinier than I thought it was going to be. And that's what she said. I have no idea how this works, but I really don't want to play around with it too much until I get a better cover on it. Let's see, it goes that way. I'm going to have to read the directions and stuff. But I'm going to show you unboxing this one that's not been opened. I really thought about reselling these and making some money, but I felt like the channel needed it more. Alright, you just open up the bottom, you know, handy little hole. And let's see. Oh, GoPro Care. Cool. Oh, I have an app. Got some stickers. Instruction booklet. I will definitely need that. And then some more attachment stuff and a battery. Woo, that's how. But anyway, be looking on. Now, some videos I've been filming like my big video I've been doing on rebuilding the front end on my Silverado. I'm going to bring GoPros in on that, but to be honest, I've shot about half of the footage as is. So, basically, I think my last pre-selected video to upload is December 1st. After that video, I'll start incorporating more things with the, you'll start seeing the dual screens. But, yes, we're going to be able to massively increase the quality of the channel. Alright. Alright everyone, this is Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. But thank you so much for watching this video on the update. I, for one, can't wait to get these jokers added into the channel. Alright, thank you so much. You have a good one.